Ethel Chamomile here. So back again with another Unity tutorial. As promised, we are going to make the buttons work in this video, right? So first of all, the play button. We just gonna make a new folder. I'ma call it main menu. Where's my, there you go. Main menu. So correct. And make this, just main menu actually, yeah. There you go. Open it up. Ow. And then inside here, we're gonna be using Unity Engine dot scene management, and over here we're gonna public void play, right? And let's put public void quit over here. Oops, not that, just quit. Right. So on play, we're gonna play a scene manager dot load scene, and the name of the game scene, which is game. Meanwhile, in the quit, we're gonna call application quit. Oops, not that, just quit. There you go. Okay. I'm gonna make a new game object for the main menu script, and don't forget to make sure the name is correct, right? Now we go to canvas, select the menus, and I must select both of them at first. And now, yes, the play button, assign the play function. And in the quit button, we assign the quit function. Save. And we play. I'll turn off the BGM. No, it's not gonna work. Forget it. It actually works. The reason I thought it won't work is because if we go to file and build settings, we can see here we have game. The game scene already listed here. I thought the scene wasn't there, so I thought it wasn't gonna work. Now we have two scenes here, right? So I want to put the main menu over here and put it topmost. So when we build the game and play it, we gonna the main menu scene will be the first one to load. Don't forget to save. But that may work. However, and now the quit button won't work. The reason is of that because application.quit only works on application that is already built. This will work, but for Unity, if you want to test it here, we're gonna have to call Unity editor dot editor application dot displaying whoops equals false. Now if we go back to the game and play it, you can see that now it works. However, if you want to build the game, you can't include this line because the game won't build at all. So one so when you want to build the game, you have to delete this code. That, or we can just add this. Enter here. Use hashtag if space Unity ng editor, and then put an if over here. Make sure that you type Unity editor exactly like this, all capital letter, and have the underscore between Unity and editor. Now we can save that. Alright, the button is complete, but now you need a loading screen. Easy way to do that is click here. I'm gonna make loading screen. Like this one. Let's make it full screen and give it an image. Also make that full screen. I'm gonna give it a black, and inside of that the loading text, so put this here. Maybe it will say loading, and then best fit 40 is enough. Give it white color and make scale it bigger, like so. Ta-da! We can save that now. First, we want the loading screen to not be there. So, the moment we press the play button, we also want, actually we want to activate the loading screen first. So swap this up. We just have to activate it, and then another one to call the play function. Up. Save. Don't forget to save. I always say that. Don't forget to save. And then hit play. The loading didn't even show. It showed, but well, this is on computer, so it loads very fast. What we can do if we want if you want to give it a delay is, let's create another script, another function, load game scene, and we're gonna move this line over here and just invoke with big I think. There you go, and call load game scene and give it like maybe 1 second delay. Well, I guess it has to be a string, huh? Alright. And make this a string, and there you go. This is the simplest way to make a delay. It may not be the most optimized though, so be careful with that. We can save here. Let's start. There we go. Nice. Now we have the loading screen done. We have the main menu. We can quit. We can play. Next up, what we're gonna do is of course, the pause screen. So yeah, that's gonna be for next tutorial. This is it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you next time. Bye bye. This has been Ethel Chamomile. Why am I keep looking down? Bye bye.